All right. Okay, Mario, so today we're going to continue with goal 3 and 4. So, this one's changed. So here we are going to find the perimeter by using the appropriate formulas in the shapes for triangles, parallelograms, squares, rectangles, and trapezoids. So right here I added an anchor chart. So area and perimeter, but we're just looking at perimeter. So here you have a rectangle. It's a swimming pool in the shape of a rectangle. You have 9 feet and then you have 16 feet. When they ask you for perimeter, they are asking you to add all 4 sides. So what are you going to do? You are going to add all 4 sides. So you're going to be adding what? 9 plus 16. Well, we don't have anything here and we don't have anything here. But this side is the same as this side. So this is going to be what? 16. This side is the same as this side. So this is going to be what? 9. So now you're looking at, your problem should look like this. 9 plus 16 plus 9 plus 16 equals 50 feet. So what is your perimeter of a rectangle? 50 feet. Now, I believe we have another anchor chart to help you out. So the perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. So perimeter, P, is the distance around the outside shape. So right here, we have another rectangle. So how would you do this? How would you find the perimeter for a rectangle? Yes, so you would do 8 plus 5. What is this side? If this is 5, then this would be 5. If this is 8, then this would be 8. So you're going to add all the sides. So you can always just write out an 8, a 5, or an 8 here. And then your answer should look P equals whatever you get. Now, the reason you see a times here is because what they did is they did 2 times, because you're seeing the number twice, plus whatever numbers are on the shape. So this is always going to be the same. P equals 2 times, and then you're going to put side plus side. Well, see, we're not doing this yet. So what I want you to do is just do 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5. This is something we're going to need to do on the calculator. So don't worry about this. Then over here you have a shape that doesn't have all the same sides. So here you have 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, and 2. Well, that's okay. All we still have to do is still add all the sides. So this is what your answer should look like. So I want to see all your answers like this. Now, don't worry about the area. Now, you have worksheets. So for example, with this worksheet, to find the perimeter of a rectangle, simply work out the distance all the way around outside of the rectangle. So the perimeter of the rectangle below is what? 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 equals 16 centimeters. And make sure you work out all your problems. So here I want you to find the perimeter of all the rectangles. So you're going to work out the perimeter of the following rectangles or squares. And then that's it. So you only have 4 questions. And then you're going to do the same thing for this one. And then you're going to do the same thing for all of them. So see how here they're missing numbers? But remember, just copy the number that's on that same side as the other. Copy the number to this side. Copy this number to this side. And then you're going to be doing that so on and so forth. And then we have goal number 4. So for goal number 4, you, Mario, are going to correctly count and add to determine the correct sum of double-digit and 3-digit numbers. So we've already done this at school. So you're going to be adding your 2-digit numbers. I know there's a lot in this first one, so what I want you to do for week 1, you're going to do from here to here. And we'll just continue doing that all the way up until the end of the school year. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. We're only doing the first worksheet for each goal. So for goal number 1, for goal number 3, you're going to work on only this one. 1 through 4. And then for goal number 4, you're only going to work from here to here. Only the first 2 lines. No, actually do all of them. And make sure you write it on a piece of paper, but I'm sure your mom picked up the packet. So no, do the whole worksheet. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know.